Hey everyone, welcome back to The Real Chef Curry. This week we have a delicious recipe for you that's going to be your new favorite. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So guys, before we jump into our video, if you could, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Share us with friends and family so that we can grow our curry crew. And also, like always, punch that notification bell and let's jump into our video. So today we're going to be making two delicious tofu dishes. Start with a clean pan and add in a tablespoon of oil. We're going to wait for this oil to heat up, and the way you know it's done is when you start seeing ripples in the oil like it's water. Then you will start adding in your cut tofu. So we took an entire block of extra firm tofu and we patted it down and we dried it. You want to make sure you pat down and dry your tofu or it will sweat like you when you try jazzercise for the first time. Once all of your tofu is in the pan, you will cover it with a lid and give it some time to enjoy the nice little sauna you've created for it. After about 10 minutes, your tofu should have gotten a nice little tan. We did flip it halfway through to make sure that it's golden brown on both sides. Make sure to inspect each and every piece. Tofu number 7 looks almost about done. Once your tofu is done, remove it from the heat and add in your next batch, because just like Lilo and Stitch, we believe in Ohana and that no one gets left behind. Finally, once it's all done, set it aside for later and clean your pan. Once your pan is clean, add in a tablespoon of oil into that pan, and we will wait for it to heat up. Next, we're going to add in 2 chopped up pieces of garlic and a small chopped up piece of ginger. We will let this sizzle in the pan, and then add half a carrot and some chopped scallions to join the party. Give it all a quick stir and start making your sauce. Take half a cup of water, a teaspoon of salt to add some nice salt essence, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes because you can take the heat, a teaspoon of chili sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and then add all of that into our veggies. Give it a quick little mix and then add in a tablespoon of honey because you lied and you can't take all that heat, and then add a teaspoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water to turn our gravy into thick with 2 C's. Give it all a quick mix and then add in half of the sauteed tofu from earlier, and there you have it. Our spicy braised tofu is all done. Now you're going to go ahead and clean the pan and add in a tablespoon of oil. Once again, wait for it to heat up so that you can see the ripples, and then add in 2 cloves of garlic all chopped up and a small piece of ginger chopped up as well. Add in some scallions and the other half of that carrot from before because bunnies love carrots. What does that have to do with this dish? Nothing. Add a teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of chili sauce, a teaspoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of rice vinegar, and a tablespoon of honey for some sweetness. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and then mix up the perfection you have created. I have a friend who loves peanut butter so much that he can eat it straight out of the jar. He knows who he is. Next, you're going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water until it looks nice and saucy, and then throw in your remaining tofu. Give it a quick little mix and enjoy the spicy peanut satay tofu that you've made. Here's our final 2 dishes, and I'm so ready to dig in. So guys, both of our tofu smell amazing. The kitchen is full of some amazing, wonderful smells. If you want to eat this, you can eat it with fried rice. We've made some fried rice in the past. Check out last week's video. I'll put the link in the description for you to try out, and keep on cooking.